This is the item and price checker for my final project for CIS27. Its tasks were to determine a restaurant or business, create and store elements in an array, those being the products and their price, applying discounts as needed, calculating the tip, and creating and storing data on file for long-term storage. I made a class for this, the class being receipt. It has many different functions in there for the overall object. Those being get restaurant, return the name of the business, and get total, returns total, set discount, apply discounts, set price. It just creates the overall total. Set tip, calculates the tip. Get tip, returns the tip. Set grand total, calculates the total plus the tip. And getting the grand total, which will output dialog for the subtotal, the tip, and grand total. For a demo, we'll start the program. It'll ask for the business name. For now, I'll put Safeway. Be an option screen. I'll say number 1, add items. I will enter in, let's see, chips. It can be 5. Let's see, Sprite, $4. And then another item could be beef. And that would be around $5. When I'm finished, I just type finish, and I'll exit the loop, review the order, see all the items there, as well as the prices and the subtotal. After that, I can also apply a discount, where I can apply a 10% discount to the overall total. That's a change right there. And when I'm finished, I'll put 4 in, and that will take me to the tip screen, where I'm given the choices of 10%, 15%, 20%. If I create a custom, I'll use the custom, and I'll be generous and give them a 25% discount, 25% tip. Right there, I will have the outputs for everything right there. Additionally, it will also create a receipt in a txt file right here, as you can see. Safeway, the timestamp, the chips, Sprite, the beef, and tips and total. Alright. The variables I use, everything right here. Arrays were used to store the items and prices, the booleans for the while loop conditions, integers for counters or the if statement conditions, and floats for the price, tips, and or discounts. The opening text right here just opens the program with input for the business name, as well as setting the total for the object. The while loop for the options of add items, review order, apply discounts, and finish order. Everything here. It would use a counter, uh, a counter for the array for items and prices. Each time it would just be entered into the array, and the counter would go up so that it can add each new element into the array. This one would just print out the items and prices as well as the total, and then this one would apply the discount. And then option 4 being the exit condition. After that, it would be the tips, again, where it shows the suggested tips. Everything here will use the set tip or get grand total. Once that is chosen, the program will output the closing sequence. And then in the latter, it would be just the creation of the file that stores the items and prices as well as a timestamp, as you can see here. If I were to make any improvements, I would want to implement a GUI into this, just make it a more aesthetic interface. It would be definitely more pleasing to the eye, as well as maybe discounts being able to apply to individual items. And then lastly, I just want to clean up the code, just make it look more clean. And that is that. Thank you.